What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in the city of Pittsburgh. I think this is Washington area. Do got a Nike outlet. Let's go look around. All right, the Grove City one was not crazy today. Let's hope this one is a little doper. Let's go. Crowded with all the back to school shopping. Man, all right, let's go check out the back wall. Did see some 7s here last time, some returned 7s. All right, let's go. These utilities were pretty much free last time. $1.50? I thought they were lower last time. $1.50. You get 30 off the back wall. Do got the 97s right here, all white with the gum outsole. $1.20 for those. Jordan 1 low. Golf right here. $1.40 for the all white. What the hell are these right here? These, oh, the TWs. Air Max TW going 40. Air Max 90s. $1.10 for those. Blazer mid jumbo is 85. Air Force One Weed $1.50. Nice Tanger Escapes $1.10. Jordan 1 mids right here, all white. $1.25. The 30 off kind of helps with that. Air Max 90 Terra Escapes $1.10. Size 11. Size 12. Luca's $1.10. GT Cut 2's $1.30. It's 11.5. Another 11.5 right here. The FAMU's 2 bills. We've seen that full box. I think that was in Orlando. We saw full box. Extra 30% off. That was pretty dope. Deldon size 11. These are primarily women's. They don't look bad. Been curious on how they do on court. Those are going for 90. More blazers, $90 for those. All right, we're going to the smaller sizes. Just not seeing too much interesting stuff. 9.5 Air Max 90s $1.10. These are 170. Wait, what's going on here? What's going on here? Nike by You Dunks? Why did nobody look at this? I've been waiting for Nike by You Dunks to be returned because, yeah, it's about that time because everybody ordered theirs. Let me look at these. These don't look bad. They don't look great. They don't look bad. They don't look that bad on feet. These are hella tight on me. They're 9.5, so they're super tight. I think if I wore it a few times, they would be stretched out. I can get these to see if anybody wants them. 130. Yeah, the Nike by Yous are normally 150, so this is 130 to get that 30 off. So it'd be under $100. Under $100 by a few dollars, maybe like $93 or $97 or something. What do you guys think about these? All right, while I think about these dunks, let's take a look at the aisles. Got some Pegasus Trail 3s. Got a pair of those bad boys. Giannis Immortalities. Got a trio of these. 3s just came out, so these should start falling in price. 80 Trey 5.9s. 10's been out, so these should be hella cheap. And they're going down here and there. Witness 6s. Of course, these are LeBron Witnesses. Witness I don't know, $90 for these. Soldier 14s. Cosmic Unity, that's a Team Bank colorway. Another one of those. Do got a bunch of J's, bunch of Team Jordans, aka non-signatures, and we did cover that in the last video, the last spot that we went to. They got them all. SB Alley-Oops, black and white colorway. Zion 2s, all white. We got some mids. Is this a Christmas colorway? And the 7s do got these bad boys. I think eventually I'll find one of these on the back wall if they are hitting the outlets. I haven't been to the outlets in LA to see if they have them though. All black forces, green on white, pure platinum, Copa wolf gray, black on white with a tumbled leather, hemp fuchsia, photon dust. Oh, the Air Morph Tempos, we're finally starting to see these here. That's fire. Got one last alley-oop right here as well. Oh, got the Air Force Highs. Air Max 2017s. Forever at the Nike outlets. 2017s. Binary Blue, Glacier Blue. Air Max 270s. Was Nike's best-selling shoe for a quick minute. Air Max Plus. Been seeing so many of these on sale. Oh, those were Vapor Max Pluses, my bad. Air Max Plus Terra Escapes. Max 97s. They've all been on sale lately, even at the retail shops. Air Max 90s. Terra Escape version. Then another one right here. So I did order these on sneakers, and look at this. This is my size. It's a women's size 12. See, that's the thing about sneakers that just aren't like super popular. You can find them at the outlets. You can. It's not a guarantee, but if you're kind of like, should I get them, should I not? You can definitely try hitting up the outlets. You know, like I paid retail for these. I'm gonna return it, but I did pay retail for these. Could have got it for 30% off if I really wanted it. That's fire. Got a bunch of mids right here in the women's section. 11, 10, there's quite a few. We saw these Jordan 2s last week, size 10, $225 for these. Yeah, I've seen these in plenty of sizes, 8.5 right here. These Turbo Next Nature's going for 90 bucks. Been seeing a few of these at Ross, Marshalls. That's really about it, just tons of generic stuff, not really finding too much. I even checked the smaller sizes. And kind of the same in the aisles too in the women's. The platforms, ain't nobody trying to get those. Do have a few colorways of the Pegasus. I'll go for a little bit too much though. Then just more generic stuff, man. Apparel at the outlets have been very underwhelming. They got this and that. That's the only 2 clearance racks. You get 30% off, and then, you know, they just give you stuff like this. That's not too bad. Alabama A&M. That's actually not too bad for $30. I was looking at this right here. That Antetokounmpo track jacket. It's like, ain't nobody want this. Not really. $58. See, if we went to this school, that is fire though. Nike Yoga. If I remember, this is a yoga shirt with a line down the middle. $22. Normally $50. Is this a Tech Fleece hoodie? It doesn't say Tech Fleece, but I thought it did. I thought it was. Just that recycled merch stuff. $65, normally $120. That's not bad. All right, checking the bottoms now, seeing if there's anything fire here. These shorts are pretty decent. Oh, this is an XL. I need a double XL for one of my boys. $40, that's not that bad of a price. Do got some more fleece. This is blue right here. That's $35, normally $65. Get another 30 on top. Got some gray ones here, going for $35. Those are small though, and then also got some tapered. Got some tapered, what are these? Sweats, $35. These are medium. Oh, that's actually not bad, $35. Another 30% on top, that's like 20 something bucks. That's not bad. All right, so I was wondering if I should grab these or not. Line's pretty long, not crazy. I thought about it. I'm gonna put these back. Only because I already got like 2-3 pair of shoes for the nephews that I buy stuff for. That's a size 9.5. This is way too tight for me. There's no way it's gonna fit. So I'm gonna throw these back. Dang it. As soon as I put it down, the Japanese cat, he was feeling them. I think he's gonna grab them. All right, I think we're done, you guys. I think we're done. All right, today's the busiest the roads have been since I've come out here. I've come out here, what, 2 weekends in a row now? I might be back next weekend, I don't know. But yeah, majority of the people, you know, who drive slow in the left lane, they go to the right. Dude, this is just astonishing. I'm still not used to this. California, like, there is no manners when you drive, you know. Californians are crazy when we drive. It is what it is. I'm pretty polite, but you know, most people are just savage and crazy. But yeah, most people, you know, if you're going fast, you stay on the left, and then if you're not going fast, you go to the right. Like, people do that here. It's insane, man. It's insane. Cleveland too. Actually, when I went to Texas, it was like that. When I went to, I feel like most states is like that. California, y'all need to figure your stuff out, man. Come on now, dogs. All right, wrapping things up back at the airport. I did finally get to stop by Sheetz. Man, their little frozen drinks are so good. All right, back to LA, guys. Back to LA. Make sure you guys help what? Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, and then click on these videos, man. I got tons of videos. Man, I've been out and about, not in California for the past few weeks. Been shooting tons of videos. Make sure you guys check some of these videos out, man. Let's go.